If you own a 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO, chances are your interior is showing its age, especially that shift knob. This tiny upgrade promises to bring back that factory fresh feel, but can a leatherette replacement really satisfy the GTO crowd? We're diving into the TETXSLA 6-speed manual T56 shift knob and boot combo, a direct replacement designed specifically for those iconic GTO model years. The first thing you notice is the aesthetic. This isn't just a plain black replacement. It features sharp blue stitching on the leatherette material. This is a fantastic detail, as it ties in perfectly with the subtle blue accents that many GTO interiors already feature. It's a simple, high-impact visual mod that instantly cleans up the center floor area, replacing those worn, cracked, or missing factory parts, which correspond to part numbers LMP1316 and LMP1305B. Now, let's talk about the installation, because there are two absolutely critical details you need to know before you buy. First, the manufacturer explicitly recommends applying silicone to the shifter when installing the knob. This is crucial advice. If you skip this step, you risk the knob spinning or loosening during aggressive shifts, which is the last thing any manual driver wants. Second, and perhaps more importantly, this kit does not include the retainer bezel for the boot, which is listed separately as LMP1318. You must plan on reusing your existing bezel, or purchasing that piece separately if yours is broken or missing. This isn't a complete, everything-in-the-box solution, so manage your expectations there. Despite the need to reuse the bezel, the overall build standard of the knob and boot seems high, built to meet industry quality control standards. The leatherette feels robust enough for daily use, and the 6-speed pattern is clearly defined on the top. For the price of a quick interior refresh, this is a necessary upgrade for any GTO owner whose shifter looks tired. Overall, if you need a cost-effective, sharp-looking replacement that brings back that clean cockpit feel, this TETXSLA knob and boot is a solid contender. Just remember that silicone and the bezel reuse are non-negotiable parts of the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.